Hey Freunde, today let's talk about organization, or better known as the German word Ordnung, so we can find our equipment fast on set and work efficiently. The key is to have different kind of pouches and different sizes. What you guys see here is kind of the CRDBag alternative, which is called Open Moon. Alright, here's future Marcel. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to record the English version, so I'll be narrating over the rest of the video. First off, here you can see I packed away the biggest item into a bag, which is my gimbal. Then I also have another version of pouch which has more depth, which can hold my drone setup. Look at that, that looks perfect. Then I got a lot of action cameras that I also need to store safely. These bags have inside some straps, so I can secure them safely. It's so great to have all these action cameras together. Unfortunately, they have a lot of accessories as well. So here you can see me dumping out all these little knickknacks and zip ties. I have two bags, one for the bigger accessories like clamps, and another one holding all the little loose small items like nuts and bolts and so on. And here you can see the exact reason why I have to find a new alternative, because my previous pouch is so bad in quality. So let's get that right out of the way. And now we got my storage. So here are two SSDs used for DIT at the end of the day, backing up all the footage. And I have two. If one breaks, we still got another one just in case. And in film industry terms, we call them brushes and backups. And this I strongly recommend. So what we have is 3 color label pouches. So first we got red. All freshly recorded footage goes into this one and cannot be formatted. They will be transferred at the end of the day onto hard drives. Only after that, they go to the blue one, which is kind of a temporary hold situation. And the cards inside this bag cannot be formatted unless everything has been reviewed on the computer and verified. Only after that, they go to the green one and are formatted ready to be used for the next shoot. And trust me, it looks simple, but you cannot imagine how often it has saved me. Because on set, under time crunch, you will forget things, everything is going to be chaotic. So it's really good to have this kind of a system in place. And I'll put all of them into this pouch. Ah, look at this, finally sorted. Okay, up next, labeling. So it comes here with these Velcro patches and also pull tabs where you can manually write your item's name on it. In my case, I'm gonna start writing first because they need to dry a little bit. First one, media. So let's start with the first one, media. Here it is. I'm gonna attach it right here. Oh, and look what I have found. Also very important. Here we can slice in the tag. This is how it's gonna look like. Oh, trust me, this is amazing. When you have OCD, this is just the best moment ever. Finally, everything is sorted and labeled. Then I noticed they also have corresponding colored zipper pullers. Check this out, all of them match with the pull tags. And here I'm gonna do some DIY extension. So here we can see in the back there's like moldy webbing. It is not the proper standard size, but it will work. So here I have an adapter and a carabiner. I'm gonna combine those. So here I'll slice it in, and then I'm gonna attach the carabiner hook. Can lock it here. And the reason behind it is so I can hang it. This helps to save a lot of storage space on your shelf. Here you can see an example. Then there's also a way to attach something like a handle. You can see I'm also using the moldy webbing in the back. Since you don't want to drop these media, it's very important. And we're not done yet. My laptop also has so many accessories and little items that I need to store away. So I got this other pouch of them. It has this cool accordion design shape, which gives me a good overview of all the items inside. Let's see if it can still close. Yes, it looks good. Finally, this is all sorted, and if you want to see more awesome content like this, feel free to consider subscribing, and bis zum nächsten Mal.